Right, so pleasant good day. What we're doing today is changing the rear shocks on an Almera N16. Right, so we're changing the shock mount and the shock. Right, so there's the shock. We take it out. This piece bolt in there. The mounts bolting on top there. Alright, so we could see the condition of the rubber for the mounts. Alright, so we have new mounts, new shocks. Alright, so there's the new one. There's a KYB. (9410020). Alright, so we're going and take out this strap that's restraining it and pump it a couple of times to make sure all the flat spots come out. Right now we're setting up the spring compressor to take out the old one. Alright, so spring already compressed. So now it's just to take out the shock mount. There's I think a 5 and then probably a 14 or 12 or something. Right, so there's the old one. You see we press it down, it's even coming up. So it's dead. Right, there's the new one. They done prime already. We already had the spring clamp set up. Didn't get the sleeve to buy, so we'll use back this old sleeve. We had the new shock mount, so we're putting up that. Right, so this was the one I get to buy. I wasn't getting it nowhere else. So there's the shock mount. We go in and there's the new one. So there's the old one here. Right, so we could see the condition of it boosts up and everything. Right. Alright, so there's the new one. Right, we could see it. Alright, so we go in and assemble it and go back up. Alright, new install. Alright, and we got to go there, go and put back up the wheels just for the customer to collect.